Okay, so here's the problem. I got an issue here with some pots. I hope that's just the pots. What is happening to the Okay, so I got to be cleaning these pots. I'm going to try to clean them first. And if they're not, then I'll have to replace them. All right, so I got everything unplugged. Paid like, $25 for this amp from Goodwill. And it sounds pretty good, except for that crackling. So I'm going to try to see if I can pull this head out this way. I've never done this. But we'll pull these up and see if we can get this amp to come out this way. Sometimes they can come out to the front, sometimes they don't. We'll find out what Gorilla has in store for us. Yes. I wanted a bass amp, and I thought, I want a small one. I want something that I can play around in the room, and I've got a bass, and I like playing guitar through it too. I hook it up with 3 other small amps and get a pretty good sound going among the 4 of them. Just this crackling, I have to set the volume on this, and every other amp has to be set to this volume in order to not have a crackle. So I don't want to have to do that. I want to be able to place the volume. I don't know that that's going to come out of there. Not like that. Nah. Nope, I don't think so. Of course, I've unplugged this thing, so I'm not going to get electrocuted. As long as I don't touch a capacitor or some kind, I'll be alright. So, looks like we're going to have to return to the back. And take that back off. It's interesting that that's there. Guess maybe that's to pull the back off with. I've never done any of these Gorilla amps. So this is my first Gorilla amp. Let's get these screws out of here. For anybody who doesn't know, I'm assuming most of you know, that if you turn a screwdriver down here, you get faster turns. You'll see me doing this. I don't do this when I'm messing with high voltage. But I'm not messing with high voltage today right here on the back. So I'm not taking any risk really. Alright, so let's see what we got. Hopefully that'll come right out. Alright. So it's got a pile driver in it. Wow, interesting. Upside down, but it's okay. Alright. Let's see if we can get this amp out of here. Probably have to unplug. Alright, so I don't know if you can see it or not, but go ahead and video that for record. And we're going to unplug this speaker. And we're going to take this amp out right here. Now here is our pots that we want to clean. And hopefully that'll do the trick. That's a nice size pot. Here's capacitors. They look in pretty good shape. This switch here was giving me some glitchiness, so I might clean that also. And that chip right there, that was not seated properly, but that might have done the trick on that. Anyway, what is that? Can't see it. Let's see what we got here. See if we can get it here. Can't really tell. Oh, here we go. Like a 553. Anyway, we'll check that out later. I use this electronics spray from CRC. Shake it up a little bit. Alright. Alright, now there's holes right in here. Get in this hole right here. See if I can get in there. See if we can bring it around a little bit. Do this one. Always helps to turn it upside down all around. Can't really see that that feels really gummy. Let's see, this is going to help things. Oh yeah, that's freed up now, my friend. That one is really moving. Maybe just what the issue was. It wouldn't hurt to put some on these other guys. Let's see, I'm going to give this guy another shot, because he's not really moving too much. Alright. Go ahead and do these guys while we got them out. That feels better. That guy too. Yeah. Let's see if we can spray some into this side. That feels really good now. Yeah, it was easy. Alrighty, this is the only one of this. Stuff evaporates really fast. It's good to let this dry out first. We'll do plugging it back in. This thing's saying, yeah, please, thank you, please, sir, thank you. Now let's put it all back. And I'll go ahead, put the keys on. Yes, sir. Those capacitors probably need changing out. I don't doubt it. I'll pull this up here. And then I'm going to get that guy. And get this guy. Again, I wouldn't be touching this part of my screwdriver if I was not unplugged. So let's plug her in. I think we've had enough time to dry out. And nice to have symbols to store your cords on. Yeah, why not? Now, this guitar has an issue too with the pot. I gotta fix it. We'll see how we go. Oh man, listen to that. That is beautiful. Still got a little bit on that one. I think it'll work out eventually. Just turn everything up. And still got some cleaning to do. Yeah, I like it. I think that's all his problem was that IC wasn't seated. I pushed it on in as far as that one goes. Probably had vibrated loose throughout the years. Okay, fixed. $25 amp. Gorilla.